Hello friends, hope you are doing well. So guys, I got lot of requests to make a video on insurance company and specifically on HDFC Life Insurance Company. So today I am going to make a video on why HDFC Life Insurance has fallen from last 4 days and what are the steps to be taken in future, whether to buy, sell or hold, because there was a big impact on the insurance company. When the Nirmala Sitharaman gave that budget on 1st February, there were a few clauses which has actually impacted the insurance company a lot. So today we are going to talk in detail about that. So stay tuned till the end and I'm going to tell you what you have to do with the HDFC Life Insurance Company. So friends, welcome. My name is Setapan Doshi and welcome to my YouTube channel. So let us talk about first the budget. What was that clause which has come in the budget session and which has caused such a big impact on insurance company? You have seen that all the insurance company has fallen by almost 15 to 20% next 3-4 days. The reason was simple, that no, they in budget the finance minister told that there is a cap on the 5 lakh rupees premium in a year. So anything about 5 lakh premium will be taxable. So as a result, the HNI client category will directly come into this taxation part, and that is what is impacting the business of the insurance company. And that was the so taking view of the future prospect of an insurance company, everybody, all the analysis and the retail investors started thinking yes, there will be a big impact and on the insurance company, and as a result it started falling. And the reason is also fact enough, and you can say that valid enough to give a blow to an insurance company, because I tell you that this clause. And so another thing was also there, as you are aware that we are going to be going in the new regime and the old regime will be discarded maybe in few years. But yes, that is going to happen because they already, the finance minister make the new regime as a default regime. Now what does it mean? You can understand guys, this government, Modi government, now can bring any clauses, and maybe I am thinking that next year is the election, so they may not touch now, but in next 2 years it may happen that they discard the old regime completely and they will make it that new regime as the for the taxation point of view. Now in that new taxation regime, there you cannot take any type of provisions, or you cannot take benefit of ATC and all the things, even insurance policy, even loan and everything. So that rebate what you are getting on the taxation point of view, we will not get in the new regime, and which is having a adverse impact on the, you can say, on this insurance company and all the tax saving instrument. Guys, understand, if you know that in future maybe 2 to 3 years this type of taxation, you can say that instrument will not be valid for getting that rebate, then what is the use of taking that? But the thing is, now the whole angle of taking the insurance will change. People have to take insurance only if they need it, that is like a term insurance or a health insurance which is required, which is preliminary a requirement for each and every individual. And also currently the penetration of insurance in India is very low, but so these are the two we can take it. But all the saving instrument, no, which they were getting also tax rebate and everything, that the government is taking out, correct? So that basically you are talking the taxation they will levy down that premiums. Now the one thing you have to understand guys, that why government is doing it. The government is doing it to bring more and more disposable income in the hand of an individual, and that is what it is aiming. However, one thing I always felt that no boss, at least government should do that, give rebate on at least on term insurance and health insurance, because these are the pre-requirement for any retail person or for an individual citizen also, because our penetration is very low, and also no, we are not being covered by the social security angle like in US or somewhere Europe country. You get, if you are citizen of a country, no, you will get a social security. In India there is no social security. So at least on that point I felt that government should have given rebate on term insurance and at least on a health insurance even in the new regime. But this is not be done, so that is my suggestion or my request to government to think about it. But yes, this is the problem which is what the insurance company is facing. Now let us understand why government has done this. The government has done this to make a more and more disposable income in the hand of retail investor or an individual investor, because understand, we are currently the fifth largest economy. We are currently $3.5 trillion economy, and we are going to become a third largest economy by 2031. That is 10 years from here, around 9 to 10 years from here. And that time we may be the $10 trillion economy, so we'll be just behind US and China. So first number will be China, sorry, and second will be US, and then we'll be. So guys, we are going to grow a lot. And understand, one of the main thing, if you really want to grow as an economy, then you should have a spending power in the economy. And by doing this, what government is trying to say, you will get more disposable income in your hand, and please spend it like in tourism or hotels or clothes or whatever you want to do. And in a way, they will compensate the new tax regime, no, by giving the tax rates more affordable, so you are not losing too much. Even if I compare now currently new tax regime with the old tax regime, no, the main difference comes is that if you have taken loan and everything, that old tax regime is okay. If you have not taken loan or anything, something like insurance, I think new tax regime make a sense. But yes, this is what government is, a government to want to increase the spending among the people, and this is why, this is how they want to push the economy going from here. So this is the reason why government has basically, you know, applied that yes, in new regime nothing will be allowed. And again, this all this type of cap which the government is looking is indirectly, you know, putting in a thought in the mind of all the taxpayer and everything, boss, in future this thing will not be available, so get used to it. And this is how Modi government works. And guys, understand, this new tax regime has come almost 2 to 3 years back. तो उन्होंने ऐसे तो नहीं लाए होंगे, समथिंग दे मस्ट हैव थॉट, एंड दिस इज द थिंकिंग विच दे हैव डन, दैट इन फ्यूचर दे आर गोइंग टू ब्रिंग दिस न्यू टैक्स regime. So it's a step by step, they have already thought about this process, and they know how to implement this in the market, and that is why they have made all this type of clauses and everything. Anyways, as a retail investor and as a taxpayer, we have to accept it. So now let us talk about insurance companies, that both अब ये सब clauses आ गए, how it is going to impact HDFC Life, ICICI or SBI. But today I'm going to talk about HDFC Life first. See, HDFC Life Insurance is one of the fourth runner among all the insurance company. It has performed very well over the years. Even the last result came on 23rd January, you know, that was also very good. Overall, they have shown a very good growth and everything. And most of the brokerages are positive on HDFC Life Insurance. They were having almost 20 to 30% upside from the last price when till the budget came. So everything was done, but suddenly what happened now has completely changed the metrics of all the insurance company. If you see now, the clauses of that 5 lakh basically cap and everything, and also the new tax regime, you know, may impact almost 10 to 15% of their APE and VNB. What is APE? So average premium equivalent, and VNB is value of new business. Okay, so this is what this will impact directly to this matrix, and as a result, what will happen, the valuation of the company will go down. See, it's simple. Taxation was, you can say, one of the key metrics through which people were buying insurance. और काफ़ी जो HNI clients थे and all that, no, they were buying insurance, all these insurance just to avoid taxes. Now, if that thing is not available, then why this HNI will go for this insurance? Because now, if saving scheme will, in insurance or saving scheme will give the same rate what the FD is given, and the taxation is also same, of course they will not go for it. No, so as a result, no, the attractiveness of all these type of scheme, saving scheme and all that in insurance company will go down. Now HDFC was having a bulk of it. That Sanchay Plus plan was one of their main, you can say, attraction, and as a result of this, whatever clauses are coming, it will have a big impact on the Sanchay Plus plan, and also no, the VNB and the basically AP will go down. Because understand, in future also, if the clauses are implemented, of course it is going to implemented, it will have a direct impact, and which will have a adverse impact on the company. So now even if you ask me, the main attractiveness of the insurance company has gone away, and which is a bad sign for insurance company, because आप देखिए, it will not be easy. Of course, one of the positive will always remain that we are under penetrated, and yes, currently we are around 7 to 8% on a life insurance point of view. In, you can say, US and Europe and everything, it is more than 80-90%. So we have a very very long way to go. But the problem lies here, no, that यहाँ वो चीज हो निकल गई है जो one of the main attraction, that is taxation. As a result, I am not saying the insurance company is not going to grow from here, but yes, that growth will be tepid, and we have to see how the insurance is morely adapted in India. Correct. So अभी तो काफी adapt हुआ था, because in last 3 years when the COVID happened on 20th मार्च में जब हुआ था 2020 को, एट दैट टाइम बेसिकली नो देयर वाज अ फ्लू ऑफ इंश्योरेंस, पीपल वर रनिंग हियर एंड देन टू टेक इंश्योरेंस एंड एवरीथिंग, लेकिन उसके वजह से काफी अच्छा पुश हुआ. एंड आई थिंक इन अ वे गवर्नमेंट वाज थिंकिंग, बॉस ऑलरेडी मार्केटिंग ऑफ इंश्योरेंस इज ऑलरेडी डन एंड एवरीथिंग, नाउ वी डोंट हैव टू पुश, पीपल आर गोइंग टू बाय टर्म इंश्योरेंस, एटलीस्ट टर्म इंश्योरेंस मीन्स द प्लेन वैनिला टर्म इंश्योरेंस एंड हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस. सो आई थिंक उनको लगा कि नहीं, अभी कुछ टैक्सेशन बेनिफिट देने की जरूरत नहीं, लेट अस पुश लाइक दिस ओनली एंड लेट इट बी. अभी हम लोग डिस्पोजेबल इनकम ज़्यादा देते हैं बेसिकली इन द हैंड ऑफ टैक्स पेयर. सो नाउ दैट वाज द थॉट प्रोसेस विच हैज कम, विच मे हैव कम, एंड दैट इज वाई द गवर्नमेंट हैज टेकन दिस टाइप ऑफ स्टेप. सो यही है बेसिकली. नाउ इफ द इंश्योरेंस कंपनी ग्रोथ कम्स इन फ्यूचर, दिस कंपनी विल सेल थ्रू, नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. बट because of this clauses, whatever came in the budget, no, it will have a big impact. So overall from here, even if I talk about HDFC Life, no, the VNB has impacted by 10 to 15%, even the AP has impacted 10 to 15%, and as a result the valuation has gone down. And of course overall the metrics is good. HDFC Life has so many branches, still they are losing somewhat again in the branches also, HDFC Bank branches against the competitors, but yes, now they can sell almost 9 different companies policies, so no, you have to compete in the banking source also. So yes, but slowly and gradually HDFC Life will pick up. Overall their portfolio is very good, but the thing is remaining that, as I told you, that they had a very good non-par and all that Sanchay Plus and all that plans which was attracting the HNI clients very well. Now अगर वो चला जाता है तो देयर बिजनेस इज गोइंग टू इम्पैक्टेड. सो अगर मैं इफ आई टेक द वैल्यूएशन डाउन ऑल्सो, देन ऑल्सो फ्रॉम हियर ऑल्सो देयर इज एन अपसाइड ऑफ 20 to 25% ऑल्सो फ्रॉम द करंट प्राइस. बट yes, the main attraction has gone away, so we have to think. Now you cannot blindly see, to be honest, I was also very positive on insurance company before that, but as a result of this clause the whole matrix has changed, the view of basically viewing the insurance company has changed. So now I'll be little bit doubtful, and I will be focusing very much how this growth is picked up in the insurance side. Unless the growth is not picked up, I think the insurance company will face a very very tough time. It is not that business is bad, business is good only, but the freeway, the, you can say, the highway is curtailed. Now you have to go to the small lane and everything, and this is where your competition, your competence, how you are able to grow the business will play a very very big role for any insurance company. करेक्ट. सो ये चीज आपको ध्यान में रखनी है बिफोर बाइंग एनी इंश्योरेंस कंपनी. Still I am saying HDFC Life and all that, based on the results also which are come 23rd October, sorry January, it is good. मैं result में detail में नहीं जाना चाहता because it's of no use, because this clause only has changed so many things. But yes, from here also you will get a decent upside, but it will be a slow and steady tortoise talk. It will not be a runway, and that is what you have to keep. And this thing you have to keep for other insurance company also, because all the insurance like other good insurance company are SBI Life, ICICI Life, उनमें भी 15-20% से valuation कम हो जाएगा. And this thing you have to keep in. Anyways, market has already discounted it. Market has already brought down the prices of all these insurance company by 15 to 20%. तो यहाँ से भी अगर आप 15 से 20% का upside दिख रहा है, but you have to be aware of all this stuff and all this, whatever new things which the government has done. Main thing, keep watch on the growth metrics of a company. If there is no growth, then there will be a problem. No growth तो नहीं है, growth होगा, but how they are able to grow from here, कैसे, which type of policy they are applying, which type of strategy they are applying. So all this you have to keep before buying anything. Okay, so hope I are able to answer all your queries, whoever asked me to make a video on insurance company and specifically on HDFC Life. So guys, and another thing, if you want to understand more about this, how to value a company, how to do the macroeconomics and कैसे आपको मोड देखना है, everything, please click below link, and that is nothing but I am going to conduct a next section on 3 secrets how to basically be a successful investor, and you can click and be a part of it. So guys, thank you very much. In a way, you have understand today how the moat of a insurance company is affected because of the new clause in government. So I'll see you soon in the next video. Thank you for joining. Keep watching. Bye.